Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Now enter menu and go to settings. Now go to Google Assistant. Voice match and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. OK Google. Hey Google. As you can see, it's working, so now let's go back and go to lock screen. Enable assistant responses on lock screen. And now simply say, OK Google. What's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be sunny, with a high of 13 and a low of -1.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.